In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Freshsales to your Gmail account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is to open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the right hand corner and go up to personal settings. Then from here, you'll see an option called Connect Email. And when you click on that, you'll see you can connect your Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, Soho, or another mail service. Then from here, you need to click on Gmail and click on Connect. Then from here, you'll see your login page on Google and log in with your Gmail account. Then from here, you need to select all and go down to Continue. Then you need to wait until it finishes loading. You'll possibly also get an email from Freshsales. Then from here, you can select a group from your Gmail contact to sync. And you can either choose friends, family, coworkers, or my contacts. My contacts is all of the above. Then you can save and proceed. Then you can see here that is updating, and as you can see here, calendar synced, contact synced. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!